The 4 men convicted of gang raping and killing a woman in India have been sentenced to death. The attack happened on a moving bus in New Delhi last December. The incident triggered weeks of angry protests across India.
Judge Yogesh Khanna has pronounced death for all the 4. Justice clearly prevails here because he has given a death sentence to all the 4 accused in the case, which includes Mukesh, Pawan, Amit. Even as protests continue outside the court, we have got the breaking news that death has been given to all, which really means under 302 of the IPC, the judge has held all of them to be guilty, Anand. The judge also going ahead and giving the similar verdict which he had a few days back in his over 200-page judgment that this was a cold, premeditated murder. That seems to be the reason that the judge today gives death to all the remaining 4 rapists in the Nirbhaya case.
The 4 men were brought to court under heavy security and driven past the waiting media. One of them shouting out, "Brothers, save us." There was an unprecedented police presence at the court today, ahead of a sentence that all of India had been waiting for. Minutes later, the judge announced his sentence, the death penalty to all 4 for a crime which he said had hurt the collective conscience of India. The victim's family were present too and said that justice had been served. It was on this bus that the young woman was gang raped and brutally beaten. Her injuries so severe that she died 2 weeks later. Her death led to an outpouring of grief and of anger. Indians came onto the streets in large numbers, demanding justice.
उन्होंने इस केस को रेयरेस्ट टू रेयर माना है, उस कंडीशन में लेके सभी को फांसी की सजा का ऐलान किया है. एंड आई विल गो बिफोर द ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट आफ्टर टाइम.
In the rarest rare cases, this type of punishments have been announced earlier by many judges. So this was, the result was to come, and that's why we were not sure what the decision will be taken by the judge. So the first reaction was the justice was given to that Damini, that girl and family.
आज फैसला आया है, लेट आया, उससे हमें कोई वो नहीं है. हमें सही मायने में इंसाफ मिला, तो इस न्याय से हम खुश हैं और आगे भी उम्मीद करते हैं कि अगर वो लोग आगे अपील करते हैं तो उसमें भी हमें इंसाफ मिलेगा. और सबसे तो मैं उस टाइम से जो लोग हमसे जुड़े, शासन प्रशासन, तो उन लोगों के लिए हम सबके लिए धन्यवाद करती हूँ, क्योंकि उस घड़ी में हम हर तरह से परेशान थे. बेटी हॉस्पिटल में थी और हमारी आर्थिक हालात भी ठीक नहीं थी, तो उस टाइम हमारे साथ सरकार जुड़ी और हमारी आर्थिक मदद की. चाहे हर तरह से हम समानत, हम सरकार को भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देते हैं. और हर वो जनता, मीडिया, सबको धन्यवाद देते हैं जो आज तक हमारे साथ जुड़े रहे. तो हमारे बेटी को इंसाफ मिला और इसके साथ साथ सबको इंसाफ मिला.